Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gems within the Monster Hunter Now game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Monster Hunter Now game on your device and then log into your account using your Google ID. And once you are logged in within the game, from the home page, you will be able to battle through various different monsters. Now, if you wish to buy gems, then tap on the shop icon at the bottom right corner, and now you will be taken into the shop menu. Now from the top section, slide to the right side and you will find gems at the very end. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will find various different gem packs. Go ahead and tap on your desired gem pack and you will be able to purchase this by using your real world currency. Tap on the desired amount and then proceed forward with your payment method. If you don't already have one, tap on the add option, and after finalizing your payment, your gem will be delivered to your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy gems within the Monster Hunter Now game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.